Are you tired of lumpy textures in your soups or smoothies? The Immersion Blender, handheld corded 5-in-1. Stick blender by Turelar is the ultimate solution for blending, chopping and whipping with precision. With its 1100 Watt full copper motor, this blender delivers powerful blending capabilities, creating velvety smooth purees in seconds. The variable speed trigger design offers complete control, allowing you to switch from low to high speed effortlessly, perfect for whipping, emulsifying or pureeing without splattering. Worried about scratches or cleanup? The food-grade nylon blade guard prevents scratches on your pots and pans while minimizing suction. Plus, the attachments detach easily for quick cleaning, making your kitchen hassle-free. This immersion blender is designed for comfort with its ergonomic grip and non-slip handle, ensuring ease of use even during extended blending. It's the perfect gift for food lovers, whether it's for housewarming parties, weddings, or the holiday season. Before I dive further, this is an honest review. I earn only a few cents if you purchase through my link, but I only recommend products that truly deliver value and won't waste your hard-earned money. The 5-in-1 functionality includes multiple attachments such as a chopper, whisk, and frother, offering versatility for all your kitchen needs. Safety is paramount, with reinforced BPA-free blades that ensure durability and long-lasting use. Warm tips. While this blender can handle ice cubes, it's not suitable for crushing frozen fruits or large ice cubes for prolonged periods to avoid damage. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Turelar Immersion Blender, handheld corded 5-in-1 stick blender, and enjoy smooth, effortless cooking every time.